It is August 7, 2025 and the much anticipated GPT-5 from OpenAI is finally here. They announced that it is much faster, most reliable and most accurate model ever. In this video, let us take a deep dive into GPT-5 with a demo of its features, starting with conflict resolution, data analysis, image generation, image analysis, web browsing, as well as coding a website. We will also check its API pricing. Let us look at the pricing. These prices are per 1 million tokens. If you see, the old GPT-4o were charging $250 per million tokens for input and $10 per output. New model GPT-5 is $1.25, that is 50% of GPT-4o, and it has smaller models. GPT-5 mini is only $0.25, that is 25 cents, whereas GPT-5 nano is only 5 cents for 1 million input tokens, and even for output the nano model is only 40 cents for 1 million tokens. So I am on ChatGPT, changed the coloring for the new GPT-5 model. It is their smartest, fastest, most useful model at thinking built-in, so you get the best answer every time. If you see here, now only GPT-5 model is available, and if you see other models, GPT-5 thinking, which uses more time to think, is available, and Pro is available only with upgrade of Pro users. All other models like GPT-4o, Mini, O3, they are all not visible now. Okay, with the plus, you have photos, files, agent mode is available, deep research, create image, think longer. These are all available here. Let us start with a simple conflict resolution question. A team member has been late for work and is not finishing tasks on time. I was thinking of referring her to HR, but when confronted, she told that her kid is not well and that is taking a toll on her performance. How do I handle this situation? It is quite fast. It almost immediately started the response. So the structured approach: listen and acknowledge, assess the impact, explore support options, set clear expectations and timeline, document the discussion, which is very important, tone to maintain, firm on deliverables, flexible on how she meets them, while making it clear this is a temporary accommodation, not a permanent exemption from performance standards. You can even prepare a sample conversation script for you, so you can handle it in a supportive yet professional manner. This is quite good. Next, let us ask it for data analysis. Let us upload my retail sales data and ask it to analyze. I have uploaded a spreadsheet retailnew.csv which has sales data, and let me ask you to analyze this. Please analyze the data and provide insights including segmentation for marketing. So it gave a preview of the data. Here are the key insights from your retail dataset including segmentation for marketing. Top performing segments by item group, by business kind, store level segmentation, store 10, store 9, store 8, temporal trends, marketing segmentation. It can even run a customer product clustering model to create actionable marketing personas based on purchasing patterns. This again, it did very fast, and this is also quite excellent. Now let us see image generation. Generate an image of a team working together using various tools. This is taking more time. After almost a minute, it says creating image may take a moment. This takes little time, so let me fast forward. Wow, this is an excellent image. Currently, the Ghibli studio style images are quite popular. I have uploaded an image from my garden and I am asking it to analyze it. Analyze this image from my garden. It recognized that these are plumeria flowers, also called frangipani. Healthy, have slight browning at the edges. Care insights. It can also provide a seasonal care and fertilization schedule to keep your plumeria blooming longer and healthier. So this is quite excellent as well. Now let us check its web browsing capability. Find out the current weather in California. Okay, it showed the weather. Today, August 7th, partly sunny and not as warm but pleasant. Saturday, Sunday. So it has given the weather correctly. Week ahead highlights. The GPT-5 model is also supposed to be the best in coding. But let us test it out with a simple coding problem. Create a funnel website using JavaScript and HTML in a single file that greets the visitor and captures their name and email ID. Thinking longer for a better answer. So we have an option to make it quicker answer as well. So it has opened the code in Canvas, and if you see, there is a run code option as well in Canvas. So it says created. This is a single file funnel HTML plus JavaScript that greets visitors and captures name and email with validation, local storage and CSV export. If you need a backend post endpoint, specify the URL and I will wire it in. So this is quite good and it was quite fast too. This is about 170 lines of code in few minutes, which anybody could have done. Let us see. So we could test it here itself. Welcome. So I can use my name or just Jane Doe and Jane at, let us say, gmail.com. We can export these to a CSV and also get started. Thank you. Your details have been recorded locally. And you can reset as well. This is quite good. It provides a lot of features. So you can even generate quite complicated code with GPT-5. So what is your first impression of GPT-5? It was certainly faster and gave very reliable and accurate responses as well. Even with image analysis and web browsing, it was much faster. Coding also, it did a good job and you could run the code there itself. So first impression is good, and let us see whether it lives up to the hype.
Hi,
I am Ganapati Devappa, a premier instructor on Udemy with more than 10,000 students and a 4.5 instructor rating. My latest course, Generative AI for Managers and Leaders on Udemy, highlights the importance of early AI adoption through practical use cases, ROI, return on investment based strategies, and risk management frameworks. You can enroll using the exclusive coupon link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.